What's up, everybody? It is me, Dr. Sean K. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are on this wonderful, wonderful world. I have a great surprise for you today. Not really surprised, you saw the thumbnail. The new SAB Goblin Pro 420. This is the 420. A lot of you guys love this size because it's very travelable. But let's dig in and see what's in this kit. Woo! SAB does not disappoint. I don't care what kit you get. When you flip that lid up and you see this stuff nicely packaged, this is brand new. I love this because I believe this goes with the kit. Always impressed. No one's even coming close to SAB's packaging. All right, so we have the two color for the stickers for the fin. Nice manual. Here's our follow us back cards. Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. Make sure you use the QR code on your phone. Log on to that stuff. Also, and you already know, I say this every single time, and it's very important to register your heli. And I'm glad they do that because I don't think any other company does that. That's a part of them being original. Woo! Nasty. Nasty. Very nasty. So you guys have to believe me. A lot of you guys that saw the Miami scheme on the ilGOBLIN that we sell only heli direct, and I was screaming about how good that canopy and boom looked. When people saw it like in real life, they were shocked just like me. I love the gloss on here. Look at that. Come on, man. Come on. Stop playing with me. Battery rails here, left and right. We've got our two-piece push rod for the tail because the tail is located in the front. Nice little battery tray. White landing gear, which I always like. Blade holder, both frames, one-piece frames. And these are 1.5 mil, so they're not like flimsy pretend carbon. This is real carbon here. Got those orange bright blades to pop with that canopy. Just for the canopy. This is the guide for all the wires. Here's the belt. I think they're going with a 6 mil belt this time. Here's the fasteners for the back of the boom. Blade holders. We have our radius guide right here. That'll be keeping the swash plate nice and straight. Back brace for the boom. Motor belt in here. Tail section here. Got our little swash plate in here. This is for the tail servo. I think this goes on the top plate. We got our spindle in here and our head yoke. 420 size is such an amazing size. We got our front tail pulley here. Or not main gear and tail pulley here. Here's our main bearing block. All the usual stuff here. Wanted you to see this canopy and this boom and the gloss and that really amazing, sexy little color combo. The pictures do not do it justice. All right, I'm gonna jump in this kit. Tip here, when you're assembling the left side frame with the battery latch in it, make sure you put the battery latch on first because those screws are actually right under the battery rail. So I made the mistake of putting on the battery rail first. Then I was like, damn, I got to take it off. So make sure you put that on first. It doesn't say in the instructions to do it first, but you know, you just kind of figure it out. Another quick tip, when you get to mounting this piece to the canopy, it goes this way. Don't try to put it under the canopy and screw it in from the top. The hole here is a pretty tight fit, so what you want to do is pre-thread it before you put it in and install it on the canopy. You don't want to put the abuse on this hole here and have it all messed up. This room in here in the front of that canopy is extremely limited. So what I would suggest is most of the time I run all my motor wires up here and then I go like that. That wouldn't fit. Then I tried to run them over the top. That wouldn't fit. So make sure you scoot whatever ESC you have as close as possible, of course, without touching the motor can. But you have to route these motor wires on the outside or someplace else, but it cannot be on top because that canopy will not go on. Also, I had extra wire for my ESC. You have to tuck it up underneath here to stay out of the way of the front of the nose of the canopy. ilGOBLIN Pro 420. windy out here. Doesn't that gloss look really good? Nice and stable. This looks good, right? Now I'm at a park right now, so I can't get any really fast forward flight stuff, but this thing is solid. Let's kick it up one more head speed. Let me give a couple punch outs. That Scorpion 3220 is putting out a lot of good power. Yep. Whoa, I almost hit that tree. I'll do another punch out. That thing, oh. It's flying really good. All right, it's flying good. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.